Welcome back. So in this video we're going to see domain 2, install and configure network load balancing practice lab. So what we need, so VirtualBox or virtual environment, so we need to set up so virtual environment. So for that we need a VirtualBox or a VMware player. So Windows Server 2016 domain controls, Windows Server 2016 domain member servers, Windows Servers 2016 or 2012 is okay. So domain member server, and then Windows Server 2016 standalone server, Windows 8.1 or above, so domain workstation. So this is my lab setup. So what I used. So we are going to learn installing network load balancing nodes, configuring a new NLB cluster, adding a secondary nodes to an NLB cluster, examining the working of an NLB cluster, configuring and validating port rules for NLB. Okay, so now let's go for the practice lab.